Hello, this is Aaron Shoemaker, and I'm here today to talk with you about an ask for all of our clinical providers. In our update today, I wanted to specifically request that all of our clinical providers work on our referral process so that when we make a referral or a consultation, that we fill in the clinical provider section of the Athena electronic medical record where it asks for that provider. That can be filled in with either the group name or the individual clinician that you're referring to. And you'll notice when you go to fill in that section that the in-network providers are actually highlighted with a gold star. The purpose of this work is to allow us to see who we're using for our care coordination so that we can go out and have conversations with our providers to see who they're using, why they're using them, is it the optimal flow for our patients to get the best outcomes in the end? And one of the keys to doing that work is to get good data. So we're going to be asking everyone to fill in this clinical provider section for every referral we make. As we go forward, we've been asked to make sure that this work is done, and so we'll be using our clinical staff to fill these gaps if our clinicians don't do it. And that actually takes our clinical staff about 3 minutes to do each one of those on the back end for the ones we forget. Right now, we're at about 8% of our referrals don't have this section filled in. We'd like to see that drop drastically and do it hopefully easily for our providers, because it just takes a second to add this to our referral, and also keeping that workload off of our associates as we go forward if we can do that. So please take a moment to make sure that we're filling in that clinical provider section in all of our referrals. We've also added a PowerPoint to the end of this that can be clicked on in your email, and you can quickly review the section that we're talking about to make sure you understand it in full. Thank you. Let me know if you have questions.